Raffinizer 2 G2. Instant engine heat reducer. It forms a layer inside the engine and controls friction and wear and tear.
We are using Raffinizer 2 to the racing bike.
Forms a layer and prevents the formation of rust inside. Raffinizer 1 G1. Decarbonizer. Instant pollution remover. Raffinizer 1 G1 removes the hard carbon deposits from piston and stops emission pollution with black smoke instantly. Raffinizer 3 G3 removes the bacteria from inside the fuel tank, removes sludge and improves density in the fuel quality. It increases extra mileage up to 50% on highways.
Okay. Good luck to your racing, okay? Chalo, bye.